Today we're going to walk through how to create a new order in Scribe. Then we'll look at Scribe's automated report generator and some of Scribe's AI-powered examination tools. We can always create an order by manually entering information, but I'm going to use a shortcut today and upload one of our order sheets. Scribe will automatically read the order sheet and pre-populate our order information. Here we can review the order and make any required corrections. In this case, our order sheet didn't include a legal description, so I'll add that now. This brings us to the main workstation for this order. Before we do anything else, let's drag and drop our documents into the workspace. In this case, these are land records I pulled from a title plant search. You can drop any documents here, including court, tax, HOA, and more. Scribe can analyze all documents. Here we can see the progress of our order analysis. In this case, you can see that Scribe is splitting and stapling documents. Whether documents come in loose-leaf TIFF images, a combined PDF, or individual documents, we've found that Scribe does a better job of assembling pages into documents, so that's step one of the analysis. Once Scribe decides which pages go together to make a document, the document type is identified and it's placed in chronological order. While we wait for that order to finish processing, let's take a look at another order I submitted earlier today. Let's get the lay of the land in our workspace. First, at the top of the page, we have the order details we looked at earlier when we created the order. Next is the report section, which is blank for now, because we have some work to do before we generate our final report or abstract. The chronology section shows each of our instruments in chronological order. This is where we can make modifications as needed, rename the document, choose a new document type, or rearrange the instrument order. But we'll leave this order as is for now. Title documents is where you can upload additional documents if needed. And last, we can look at our original uploaded documents. Click on any thumbnail to see a full-sized image. Now let's slide over to the right side of the screen and look at Scribe's AI analysis tools. First, you'll see Scribe Cogent. Cogent is Electra's in-house AI chatbot. We'll come back to Cogent in just a minute. Let's first look at the AI examiner's report. We start with the executive summary, which gives you an overview of the report and the AI agent's general findings. Then, property identification. This is the actual data Scribe pulled from the instruments. Next are the examination findings. Here we can see the critical, important, and informational findings from the AI examination. Click on any finding and the actual source document appears full screen. Flip through pages to view the entire document if desired. Examiners can also enter their own notes here. AI examination is an assist, not a replacement for human examiners. Notes are one way trained title experts collaborate with AI. Chain of title comes next. Much like findings, source documents are linked and readily available for inspection. Requirements to close is where you'll find the AI examiner's suggestions on what tasks need to be completed to close. Open mortgages is just as it sounds, a list of the open mortgages the AI agent found. The defects section is where you'll find all identified document defects: missing notary info, illegible text, omitted signatures, and much more. Here, for example, is a missing notary commission expiration. Last, we have a confidence statement from the AI examiner about the AI's overall quality assessment of this examiner's report. Now, let's go back to the top of the page and look at Cogent. Cogent can answer specific questions about this order. You can ask anything. Let's see if the mid-first bank mortgage has been satisfied. No, it looks like this mortgage remains open, and Cogent provides its analysis and source data. Let's ask another question. Again, Cogent provides the answer and shows you its work. Now that we've organized our documents, revised the chronology, reviewed the AI examiner's report, and asked Cogent a few questions, let's produce our final report. The format of the final report is based on your chosen jurisdiction and any agency-level customizations you've chosen. For example, if you're in an abstracting state like Oklahoma, you'll get an Oklahoma-compliant abstract. If you're in Iowa, you'll get an Iowa-compliant abstract, complete with Iowa-specific features such as automatic document summaries. In non-abstracting states, you can choose from the state default report or upload your own custom report. Scribe preserves your report format and agency voice. Your new Scribe reports will look and feel just like the reports you've been generating for decades. Large reports like this one take a couple of minutes. We'll fast forward through the drafting process. And here's our final report. An Oklahoma abstract in this case, complete with the abstractor's caption and certificate. Again, this is just one example. Report details are set at the agency level. Each agency gets a custom report for its chosen jurisdictions. Download the report to your desktop in PDF format. Your PDF is ready for distribution, complete with embedded bookmarks for all instruments, summaries, and examiner notes. Scribe also has built-in API integrations to automatically send your final reports to popular digital storage systems, such as Electra Citadel. Contact Electra Digital for more information or to schedule an interactive demo today.